right here at Ten Show. Of course, we have here again Iligan and Oriental Mindoro. Hello to the both beautiful ladies out there. Parang isa sa mga sikat, I guess. Diba?
Yes po, thank you so much.
Rachel in Dubai. I'm so sorry. I thought, kala ko dati, Rachel in Dubai was your surname. Diba? So, Rachel in Dubai, I thought that was your surname. Pero, it's about your content, isn't it?
Yeah, kakatanong lang kanina ng isang media na parang saan daw nang galing yung Rachel in Dubai. Actually, pag lumalabas ako ng bahay at may na-encounter akong tao na parang, hi, this is Rachel Hoco. My real name po is Rachel Hoco. And then, sa mga susunod na araw at nagkita ulit kami, hindi nila ako kilala as Rachel Hoco. Kilala Rachel in Dubai. So,
Rachel in Dubai.
yung last name ko, kawawa naman tatay ko.
That's the explanation.
Rachel in Dubai talaga.
Yeah, and how about you? How's the experience now? We have already probably 1 month or so, di ba? We still have two months pa. How's the experience?
Ang saya-saya po and getting to know all the girls. Iba po talaga, magkakaiba po kami. We're unique in our own ways. And at the same time po, with the following branded shoots and events namin talaga, ang saya-saya po ng experience.
Yeah, what's the biggest takeaway from all of these activities that you have until the coronation night? What's your takeaway?
Womanhood.
Yeah.
Womanhood is power actually. And ang makasama ko lang sila for 3 months is something na talagang may share ko sa pwede kong makasama soon. Kasi hindi naman kami magkakasama or magsasama ng matagal pang panahon. Pero those 3 months, yung 3 months na magkakasama kami is yung bagay na pwede kong i-share sa pwede ko pang makasama sa mga susunod na araw.
Aside from the story, syempre everybody talks about the story that we have. Aside from that story, ano yung nilook forward nyo? They still have 2 months, di ba po? Mga 2 months pa. What are you looking forward sa ating pageant for MUPH 2025?
Na-excite po ako sa Aqua Boracay namin kasi malapit na po talaga siya. And I love...
Swimsuit ka?
Opo, swimsuit na. Yun po, nai-excite po ako kasi mahilig po talaga ako sa beach. Saka pag makita po yung sunset po.
Pero you have ang ganda ng skin ha, pero you like the beach.
Opo, I love beach.
So, what about you, Rachel? What are you looking forward for our, may 2 months pa na ating activities here?
Ako, I'm looking forward to a lot of opportunities.
Yeah.
Kasi parang ako yung tao na puro trabaho sa buhay. Parang pera yung gusto kong kasama. Ngayon, after Miss Universe, gusto kong makakalap ng napakaraming oportunidad para syempre makapagpatuloy ng napakaraming purpose. At yun.
I got you. I heard you. Kasi it's not only the pageant itself, yung after effect, di ba? Yung after the connections with other people.
Learn mo po talaga along the way.
You have, 2 of you have a lot of followers and pageant fans out there. Can you just give us a little messages for them? Siyempre, talagang bakbakan ang tulong nila sa inyo, di ba?
Oo.
Yeah.
Hello all Iliganans out there and sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Mahal ko po kayo. Patuloy niyo po sana akong suportahan at ilalaban natin ang Iligan.
Yes. At syempre, to those people who really supported me and love me for who I am, maraming salamat. Especially to all of the Oriental Mindoreños and OFW, especially in Dubai. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta. At syempre, lalaban din ng Oriental Mindoro. At sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa lahat ng candidates, syempre, maraming salamat.